back with you today. I've been wanting to do this video for a long time. Follow-up review on the tailgate here on this Jeep JL. We have no reinforcements on this, and just wanted to show you how it's holding up, just kind of see what you can expect, and if you think the reinforcements here is worth it. So guys, we have not gone easy on this Jeep. Check some of these clips out here. But yeah, right now it's got about 13,000 miles on it. Most of these miles on this Jeep have been off-road miles on dirt roads or rock climbing or mud or something, snow. So we've definitely put this Jeep through the ringer. So let's see how it's holding up. So to start off here, I wanted to lift the tailgate up and down and see how the hinges were holding up, if there's any flexing, and so far it looks really good. I was able to move the Jeep up and down quite a bit just due to the leverage, and I didn't see any flexing at all. So the hinges seem to be doing really well. Okay, so the next thing I want to do is just pop this off. This comes right off here, and it's kind of hard to do this with one hand, but take this off and see what it's looking like on the inside here. So I'm looking for any type of stress cracks in here where the paint has maybe cracked. So far, I'm not seeing anything. It's a little bit dusty, but it is looking really good, guys. So guys, I'm gonna take a rag and just wipe this off right here and kind of around these edges and just see if I can see any type of cracking that's happening there. I would assume that if anything's breaking, you'd see some cracks in the paint. So grab a rag and see what this looks like. All right guys, I'm just gonna wipe this down really good. Just got some paper towels so we can kind of see what's going on here. This is the main area right here where it's bolted on. And I want to get a really good idea of what's happening here. Alright guys, check it out. Neighbors are up in their F-35s. Okay guys, I've got this cleaned out now. You can see this is where the bolts attach to the wheel mount. Flip it around here. Maybe you can see that right there. Comes through to this side. Right here, these are all bolt mounts that are attaching the spare. Cleaned out all around each one of these so we can look at it and see. I'm just not seeing anything, guys. Looking really good. And this is where it attaches to the hinges. I'm not seeing any sort of cracking on any of these. Looks really good. Okay guys, you can see where this attaches to the tailgate there. I'm not seeing any sort of issues with that at all. No cracks, no stress cracks or anything anywhere. And here's the other side. Look at this, all the way down and around. Not seeing any sort of deformation or anything on it. So guys, normally I just pull this tire off and look at it, but I mean, I don't really even see a need to do that at this stage. I think it's looking really, really good. Anyways, man, not sure you need a spare tire reinforcement on these new JLs, unless you're running like a 40 or really heavy 37. Even then, I've been running the black Rhinos, and I mean, I'm not seeing anything, guys. So guys, let me know what you think in the comments below. Are you running a reinforcement? Do you think it's worth it? Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next video.